stage. Okay, nakita po natin at nakataupang palad niyo po ang ating top 16 dito sa entablado nito. Ano po yung yung bagay na na-impress kayo?
Shortcut.
Lahat sila yung parang pinag-uusapan nila.
Dating ganyan. Shortcut.
And the excitement also of sharing after they win. And the inspiration that they want to share also. And of course, syempre yung feeling, of course, yung mananalo ka talaga is big. The fact that pinaghirapan nila yung ginawa nila lahat, mistake and all, parang kami ginagawa namin lahat. Salamat.
Thank you so much. Actually, that's true. What we see is the end product. At maganda na nakikita natin yung journey nila, yung story nila. Thank you so much, Sir Aga. And Arvin, I think you'll have that privilege of asking that fine gentleman beside you.
Yes, Sir Richard, how are you doing tonight?
I'm doing good.
Good to see you here. It's an honor to share the stage with you.
It's nice to see you too.
Thank you. So, my question for you is, as someone with your stature, how is your experience so far judging these finalists?
Well, it's difficult to judge these Superbots, considering the amount of time they've given to present their body, to work out. You know, me and Aga, we've been trying to work out, but nothing compared to these people.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But you're working out, yeah, looks like it for sure.
Of course. You have to be strong all the time.
Of course, I agree.
Good all the time.
Yes.
Really, honestly, it's difficult because all of them are beautiful, all of them are good, all of them have good, built bodies, and thanks to Century Tuna for giving this opportunity to these people.
It's an incredible opportunity.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being here and answering that question. All right, I'm gonna pass it over to Pia. Hey, girl. So actually, I haven't seen you since last year in Paris, so it has been a while. It's great to see you again, and you look stunning.
See you too, Arvin.
Thank you. So my question for you is, as a Century Tuna endorser, what unique qualities or values do you believe that the SuperBods 2024 Grand Winner should have?
Well, personally, we all know that they work very hard to be here tonight. It's months of training. Even though they've been competing for 3 months already, I can imagine that they have been preparing even way before that. And as somebody who has an off season and on season 2, I know it's really hard to get into shape. It's commitment. It's waking up every day and telling yourself, I'm gonna do it, even though you don't feel like it. Because the reality is they don't wake up feeling like fighters every day, but they fight that feeling and they show up. What I'm looking for though is somebody with relatability and somebody with a really good story, because nakuha na nila yung magandang physique eh, but it's convincing people to also be their best selves. So, someone who's relatable, someone who has a nice comeback story, yung magko-connect sa mga tao, and so that they can also get into their own fitness journey and be their best you ever.
I would agree with that. Thank you. Consistency, authenticity is a great story. That's key. Thank you for that.
Actually, maganda nga yun, may K na silang lahat, may katawan na. Ang hinarap natin yung kwento, another K. Okay, at katangian, which everyone on the stage has, okay? Especially this queen I'm about to interview. And yes, I'm afraid. Okay, we got Miss Marian Rivera right here. Everyone keeps on smiling whenever you ask questions, especially to our Superbots. But after that round, may nakita na ba kayo na nag-stand out na Grand Winner?
Actually, kanina pa lang, sabi nga namin ni Kuya Aga, kung pwede lang manalo silang lahat kasi alam namin kung paano nila pinaghirapan ito, kung paano yung kwento nila na magbibigay inspirasyon sa mga tao. So, ang hirap pumili kung pwede lang lahat sila. Pero meron talagang nag-stand out.
Meron.
Meron.
Oo, at malalaman po natin yan in just a bit. Okay, I think everyone's so excited to know who the Grand Winner is, yes? Yes. Well, you guys have been an inspiration to everyone, especially to our Superbots. Before we give the big announcement. Is there a final word that you want to share with our Super Boss? Let's start with our ladies first.
So my advice for the finalists, to the ones who didn't make it, please don't let go. You've come this far and you've presented yourself on stage. Doing this competition is not easy. Continue the journey and prove that you don't really need to be a winner to be your best you ever. You've built a platform, people are watching you, build on that. That would be my advice. And to our winners, keep inspiring us. We're excited to meet you tonight.
Thank you, Ms. Pia. Ms. Marlon.
Ngayon pa lang, kailangan isipin nila na panalo na sila lahat. May mga pagkakataon na matatalo talaga, pero hindi ibig sabihin matatapos yung journey nila doon. Dapat ito yung unang step nila para mas pagbutihin pa nila at maging inspirasyon para sa ibang tao.
Beautiful. Thank you, Ms. Marlon. Sir Aga?
I just want to congratulate everyone, all of them. You guys are all winners already to begin with. So good luck and congratulations in advance sa dalawang winners natin. And sa lahat na hindi nakapasok, you guys are all winners para sa atin. Maraming salamat. So Century also, thank you very much for listening. Thank you. Bravo.
And, of course, Mr. Richard.
Thank you, Robbie. I'm very happy and proud of our competitors for being so fit tonight, for being ready for this. This competition is not easy. Mentally, physically, you have to be here. So congratulations to all the participants and congratulations to Century Tuna for coming up with such a wonderful program. Congratulations, Century. Congratulations to everyone.
Super agree. And thank you so much for saying yes to our invitation. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our superstar judges. Thank you.